Dear viewers, if you want to type equation just like this, then watch this video without skipping. At first, open your MS Word, then you have to press the Windows key or open your Start menu. After opening the Start menu, find the Search dialog box and type Math Input Panel. This is an inbuilt software in every Windows, so you can find it easily. Then open the software and try to sketch by moving your mouse cursor, and it will convert your sketch into text. You should sketch carefully so that the device can convert it easily. Don't panic if your sketch and text doesn't match. You can change it and replace it in the next time. You can also erase it if you do some mistakes while sketching. After getting a satisfactory result, click on the Insert button and paste this equation by pressing Ctrl and V at the same time. Or you can paste it by pressing the right key of your mouse. You can also edit this equation from here. So there is a chance to edit it in every place. So this is the easiest way to type equation.